Hi guys, that's off question number 4. The following diagram shows triangle ABC where AB is 4 cm, BC is 6 cm, AC is 5 cm and angle ABC is 2 theta. Find the exact value of cos theta, giving you an answer in the form of P under 2Q under 2 over Q where PQ elements of Z positive. So we have the find value of cos theta. Now we use cosine formula in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2 into AB into BC into cos 2 theta. Putting the values, AB is 4 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 4 into 6 to cos 2 theta. Solving the equation, we have 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, 36 minus 8, 48 cos 2 theta. Now rearranging the equation, we get 48 cos 2 theta is equal to 16 plus 36 minus 25. So cos 2 theta is equal to 27 over 48. Now 3 9s are 27 and 3 into 16. So we have value of cos 2 theta is equal to 9 by 16. Now we use double angle identity formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Putting the values, 9 by 16 is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 2 cos square theta is equal to 9 by 16 minus 1. Plus 1. Now taking the LCM, 2 cos square theta is equal to 9 by 16 plus 1 into 16 into 16. 2 cos square theta is equal to 9 plus 16 over 16. 2 cos square theta is equal to 16 and 9. It's 25 over 16. Now cos square theta is equal to 25 into 16 into 2. Cos square theta is equal to 25 by 32. Taking square root on both sides, so we can get value of only cos theta. The square cancel the square root and 25 is the square of 5. So we get cos theta is equal to 5. And for 32 we use prime factorization method. Two into 16, 8, 4, 2 and 2 into 1. Now making pairs. The pairs are written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2. We write only 1, 2 outside the square root. So 2 into 2 under root 2. Cos theta is equal to 5 over 4 under root 2. This is the answer, but we have to find the answer in the form of P under root 2 over Q. So to simplify this, under root 2 we take we multiply the equation cos theta multiply 5 over under root 2 with multiply and divide by under root 2. So cos theta is equal to 5 under root 2, 4 into 2. So we have the answer. Cos theta is equal to 5 under root 2 over 8, in which, so what we have the answer, final answer. We have final answer as cos theta is equal to 5 under root 2 over 8. This is our final answer, in which P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 8. Now this is our final answer. We have to find the value of cos theta, and the value of cos theta become 5 under root 2 over 8.